To the living world. Chapter 3. Plants around us. Time to think. Cross the odd one out. 1. Maize, jowar, soyabean, wheat. 2. Potato, spinach, sugarcane, ginger. 3. Cashew nuts, peanuts, almonds, bajra. 4. Tomato, pineapple, mango, brinjal. Different types of plants grow in different types of environment. Plants are of different sizes and shapes. They grow in land and in water. Most plants bear green leaves. Flowering plants. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants. Flowering plants reproduce through seeds. Sunflower, pansy, bellflower, poppy. Different types of plants. 1. Trees are tall and strong plants. They have a thick and brown stem called trunk. Trees have many branches and leaves. They live for many years. Banyan and neem are examples of trees. 2. Shrubs are woody and bushy plants. They live for a few years. Rose, hibiscus, and bougainvillea are examples of shrubs. 3. Herbs are tender plants with medicinal value. They have soft and thin green stems. They live for a few months. Mint and coriander are examples of herbs. 4. Climbers and creepers are plants that have flexible stems that need support. Pea and money plant are examples of climbers. Pumpkin and watermelon are examples of creepers. Tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper. Non-flowering plants. Plants that do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. These plants are the oldest plants on the earth. They grow from spores. Fern, hortail, moss, mushroom, algae, nitty-gritty.
A scientist who studies plants is called a botanist.
Plant habitat. The surrounding in which plants live is called their habitat. Plants adjust to their surroundings. This is called adaptation. Plants grow in plains, on hills, in deserts, in water, etc. Most plants grow on land. Such plants are called terrestrial plants. Plants like banyan grow in plains. These plants have broad leaves. They hold onto the soil with the help of roots. Desert plants are adapted to the arid environment of a desert. These plants have the capability to store water. They have few or no leaves. Several plants have spines to protect them from being eaten by animals and to stop loss of water from them. Plants like cactus grow in deserts. Cactus plants have leaves reduced to spines and a green fleshy stem because of the high temperature and shortage of water. Desert plants store water. Plants like pine and spruce grow on hill stations. These plants are called conifers as they have cones instead of flowers. Aquatic plants can be found in ponds, lakes, seas, and oceans. Some examples of water plants are water hyacinth, lotus, seaweeds, hydrilla, and kelps. Desert plant, water plants. Plants make their own food. Green plants make their own food. The leaves are the kitchen of the plants. The green leaves and other green parts of the plants have a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Leaves use water, carbon dioxide along with sunlight to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. Nitty-gritty. The bladderwort plant is deadly. It can kill an animal in 1 by 50 seconds. Plants give us food. Plants store the food they make. The plants we eat are cereal crops, seeds, fruits, vegetables, etc. We eat cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, etc. We eat pulses such as rajma, bean, etc. We eat vegetables such as carrot, cauliflower, etc. We eat fruits such as apple, mango, etc. Nuts like cashew nuts and almonds and beverages like tea and coffee are also plant products. We get spices such as pepper and cloves from plants. Spices are used for flavoring food. We obtain cooking oil from seeds of plants such as mustard, sunflower, and groundnut. Plants also provide us medicines. Examples are eucalyptus, quinine, neem, and tulsi. Maize, wheat, cereals, gram, beans, pulses, potatoes, spinach, vegetables, mangoes, bananas, fruits, cashew nuts, peanuts, almonds, nuts. Plants like cotton plants, coconut plants, and jute plants give us fiber to make textiles. Plants that have sweet-smelling flowers like rose and jasmine are used for making perfumes. Rubber plant gives latex that is used for making rubber. Tires, erasers, etc. are made of rubber. Plants also provide us timber to make furniture, paper, and gum. Plants give shelter to animals and birds. They give out oxygen which cleans the air. Coconut for coir,